draw an ice cream pop-up. First, fold your piece of paper in half and then fold it upwards. Now this is a pop-up, but we're going to make an ice cream pop-up. So right now, get your Sharpie. Then draw an ice cream melting like this. And then draw the curve like this and draw diagonal lines. Are you sure that those are big, thick lines? Yes! Okay, now do it the other way. Don't rush them because then they won't be perfect diamonds when you finish. Okay, now get a peach. Colour in, but be careful, it might smudge. So just every diamond carefully. I'm going to do this part with another peach. The down part would be one colour. But this to the top is the same colour. Because we're going to do another flavour. Any different flavour you like. But with the Sharpie, draw how the syrup will be. Okay, now we're going to draw eyes. Round circles, big circles. Just draw how you would do. This is how I would draw their eyes, but I'm going to add this part and add colour to it. I'm going to do 1, 2 lines in there, and then colour the add a smile. We're going to keep on going with our ice cream. My sauce is going to be red. My sauce is going to be blue. Maybe I will change it into a different color. But first, for the eyes, you do one colour and then get another colour. And then get your last colour. Now we are on the sauce. Be very careful about it so that it doesn't go outside the lines. So then you're missing bits, Evangeline. Okay, doesn't look nice. Now, you open up. What colour did you do for the bottom? Yellow. Wait. We are going to do the top first. So, draw how it would melt. You have to do those ice cream cubes to reach to the bottom. And then draw another ice cream. And also draw the dribbling path. But can we do it until we reach the end? Just do it until you reach the end. Now we're going to draw the eyes. We are going to draw different eyes for every one of them. We're not going to colour in these with some colours. We need to I'm going to draw the last one with a bit of the sideways smile. Just a very tiny bit going. You fitted 3, I fitted 5. Now, because you're using the purple here, we're going to use the purple over here. And then get your brown for chocolate colour. And colour it in. And I'll put it closer than this and then this. And also yellow. I don't know why I'm starting with this one. Now my ice cream, I can't see my ice cream mouth. Yours is very cool and very colourful. Now, I'm going to use the last ice cream. Now you've made it. Now you close it. And open. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.